If your days feel like a absolute mess where you are constantly busy but somehow getting nothing done, and you keep losing track of your daily goals and important to-dos, then stop scrolling right now because you don't need more time. You just need this simple daily planner, which is the ultimate solution to completely fix your chaotic routine and help you finally take back control of your day. Let's get started. It is our daily planner dashboard. You can see here your total tasks, completed tasks, habit streak, focus minute, mood and energy tracker, water intake. It is your the big win today, what I am grateful for, weekly task completion, habit consistency and quick note. You can see here your all activities. So first of all, go to the settings section, then write your name, profile name, Binod Rai, then save name. You can see here your name. So it is your appearance section. If you need to dark mode and light mode, you can choose here. Option is here. Then you can add priority tags like high, medium, low. You can add your tag. It is your data entry section and it is a reset off. So go to the tag section. It is your tags. My tags is morning exercise. Priority high, medium, low. High time 6 a.m. 6:30 a.m. then add tags. You can add multiple your tags, and if you don't need in this your tags, you can delete, and in this your tags it's complete, then you can check box, check it here. Right now your tags is complete, then add your multiple tags. Second tags is cooking, priority medium, starting the 10:25 a.m. then add tags. You can add multiple your tags and you can delete. Then another tags, reading, priority low, starting time 1 p.m. then add tags. You can add multiple. Then go to the another schedule section. Then it is your time block schedule. I want to time block on 2 p.m. block for time. It's a game. It is a sports time. So add block. If you don't need in this your block, you can delete. Then another time block 4 a.m. It is a exercise. Then add block. You can add multiple your time schedule. You can delete. All sections you can manage. Then go to the habit tracker. It is your habit. Your habit is sport. Then add your habit. It is your strict days, like here the 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. You can choose all multiple your habit. It is your days, it is your priority. Like today is my sport finish, then you can check. Then here you can task it's complete, then you click here. Then add your the multiple your habit, like drink water, add habit. Then today is my drink water habit is finished, then click here. Your day streak, then my task is complete. You can add your all habit tracker here. So go to the journal and notes. You can write your notes, important notes and journal. For example, my name is Binod Rai. It is my note, then save note. You can delete your note if you don't need. Then multiple your add your notes. Then go to the focus timer. It is your timer section. You can start. Right now your timing is start, so you can pause then you can reset. Then go to the dashboard section. You can see here your multiple activities. You can see it here the mood and energy, like right now happy, calm, stress, tired. For example, happy energy level is 5, 4. You can choose. Right now I am happy, so energy level is 5. Then it is your water intake goal. It is a glass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 glass. Then 1 glass finished. Then click here. Right now 7 glass is finished. It is your water intake goal. Then you can minus. Then you can plus. Then big win today. I am selling my product. It is my big win today. Then I am grateful for winning in the sport. It is grateful for that your weekly task complete. Then you can see chart is here. It is your habit consistency chart, and you can add here your quick notes, like here journal and notes. Like you can write here the long your notes, like 500 words, 600 words. But you can emergency note, quick note is you can here. My name is Binota. It is your quick note. Your task is right now not finished, so your task is finished. Then click here checkbox. Your task is completed 67%. So you can manage your everyday on our daily planner. So you need to in this our daily planner, link in the description. So you don't need in this your all activities. Go to the settings section, then you can reset planner. Then okay, your all data is deleted because it is your data storage is on your local store. So if you need to your all data, first of all go to the export data. Right now your data is export, daily planner is here. Then you can reset. Right now your all activities and all data is deleted. But if you need to your old data, go to the settings section, then import data. Then you can choose in this your data, daily planner data, then open. Right now you can see your the old data. Don't forget to export or backup before deleting your browsing history and cache, because of your all data storage on your local store. So in this our daily planner, it's for you. You can manage your everyday and successful your everyday your tasks. Thank you for watching.